Have you ever wished you could make money in your sleep? Not as a joke, but actually wake up, grab your phone, and see an extra $100 just sitting there? No boss, no commute, no stressful meetings, just money that showed up while you were dreaming about pancakes or beach vacations. Well, what if I told you that it's not only possible, but people are already doing it every single morning? This isn't one of those get-rich-fast promises. This is about smart systems. Lazy, but smart. In this video, we're counting down the 10 lazy hacks that can pay you $100 every morning. These methods don't require fancy degrees, huge investments, or even full-time effort. They just require the right approach, a little setup, and the ability to chill while the money rolls in. Let's get started. 10. Sell digital products you create once. Here's the truth. Selling digital products is one of the easiest ways to earn while you sleep. You create it once, put it online, and people can keep buying it forever. That could be an ebook, a Notion template, a budget planner, or even a fitness guide. Websites like Gumroad, Payhip, and Etsy allow you to upload your digital product and start earning without shipping, inventory, or customer service calls. The best part? You can price it however you like. If your product sells for $10, you only need 10 people to buy it each day to hit your $100 goal. One user made $3,000 in a month just selling Canva templates for social media. She created them once and kept earning. 9. Set up a print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand is perfect for lazy profits. You don't need a warehouse or even your own designs to get started. Just come up with a few ideas, maybe funny quotes, motivational lines, or trending memes, and upload them to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. When someone buys a shirt or a mug with your design, the company prints and ships it. You get paid a royalty for every sale. The setup takes a little time, but once it's done, you can literally wake up to new orders each morning. Some sellers earn $100 to $500 a week with less than 50 products. If your designs connect with a niche audience, the money can snowball without daily effort. 8. Rent out a digital asset. This might sound strange, but you can rent out digital assets, like Instagram pages, niche websites, or even newsletter space. Think of it like digital real estate. You build something once, grow a small audience, and then let businesses pay you to promote their content. Let's say you run an Instagram page about cats and have 10,000 followers. Pet brands will happily pay you $50 to $200 for one shout-out post. Do 2 of those in a day, and you've hit your $100 goal. And if you schedule those posts in advance, you're getting paid while you sleep. It's passive, repeatable, and extremely underrated. 7. Affiliate marketing with recurring commissions. Affiliate marketing isn't new, but most people don't know about recurring affiliate programs. Instead of getting paid once for a sale, you get paid every month as long as the customer stays signed up. For example, tools like ConvertKit, Teachable, or Kajabi offer 20% to 30% recurring commissions. So if you refer someone who pays $100 a month, you get $20 to $30 every month for one action. Do that 5 times, and there's your $100 a day. You can share your link in blog posts, YouTube video descriptions, or even email newsletters. The more helpful your content is, the more likely people will trust your recommendations. 6. Create a simple online course. No, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to know something that others want to learn. It could be photography basics, how to edit videos on your phone, or how to make a perfect cup of coffee. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Gumroad let you upload your course and start earning. People are always looking for bite-sized knowledge. One creator made a course teaching Excel shortcuts and now earns $100 plus a day without checking her dashboard. You don't need a big production. Just record from your phone or laptop, be clear, and offer real value. The course does the work while you sleep. 5. Sell stock photos or videos. If you have a smartphone and know how to take clear pictures or short videos, this one's for you. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pexels pay you every time someone downloads your content. You can take pictures of everyday things, coffee mugs, books, people walking, city streets, and earn royalties for years. Some creators have thousands of uploads and make $100 a day just from downloads. The more content you have on the platform, the higher your chances of consistent daily income. You don't even have to be a pro photographer, just consistent and creative. 4. Monetize a YouTube channel with automation. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. Channels that use voiceovers, stock footage, or animation are making thousands, even without going viral. Once your videos get monetized, YouTube pays you through ads. Even a small channel with 1,000 views per video can start seeing $3 to $5 per day. 3. License your music or sounds. Do you make music? Even basic beats, background tunes, or sound effects can bring in passive income. Sites like Epidemic Sound, Audio Jungle, or Pond5 let creators upload their music and get paid each time it's used. People making YouTube videos, ads, or games are always looking for music, and they'll pay for rights to use yours. You don't need to be a famous producer. Some of the most downloaded tracks are just chill lo-fi beats or mood-setting loops. If you upload 10 good tracks and each one earns $10 a day, you've got your $100 every morning without opening your laptop. 2. Build a niche blog that earns ads and affiliates. Blogging still works, and it's one of the laziest moneymakers out there once it's set up. You choose a niche, write helpful content, and add display ads through platforms like Google AdSense or Ezoic. Each time someone visits and sees an ad, you get paid. On top of that, you can add affiliate links. 1. Use high-yield cashback apps plus credit card stacking. Here's the easiest and laziest hack of all. You're probably already spending money. Why not get paid every time you do? Apps like Rakuten, Dosh, Honey, and Upside give you cashback when you shop through their platforms. Stack that with a cashback credit card, and you could be getting 5% to 10% back on groceries, gas, or even travel bookings. Some people use this method strategically. They make routine purchases for their family or business, and the combined cashback easily crosses $100 a day. One couple planned all their expenses through cashback cards and apps and earned over $3,000 in 3 months. If this gave you some new ideas, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff money tips.